Hello everyone, it's the Sensuous One, and I'm back with part 2 for Blue Moon Nails 1 Nature giveaway, the nail art portion of it. So I've used my drill and smoothed it out, and I didn't want to make too much noise on the video, but let me just buff it out real quick. And dust it off. And then we're going to put a top coat on it. Okay, so this is the finished nail. If you can see it. Using the elements or flowers and leaves that I've got from the yard. This nail right here was created using a little bit of all the items you see here. There's some flowers, some little wildflowers, the stamens from the middle of these flowers, and the little circle punches here are from this petal that I used a circle hole punch on. So this is my entry for Blue Moon Nails 1 Nature giveaway. And I hope you guys like. Thanks for watching. Bye.